Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to take my breakfast, and since I still have one Indonesian spicy noodle in my bag, so I decided to eat my breakfast with this one. So this is ABC Selera Pedas, and it is Rasa Gulai Ayam Pedas. So I don't know what is Gulai. Gulai in the Philippines, that spells like Gulay, is vegetables. I'm not sure if it is the same in Bahasa. So this video entitles Eating Spicy Noodles with No Reaction Challenge. Okay? So my goal is to finish all of this without any reaction. Even this cup noodles already spicy. So my reaction is just the same all throughout my eating. Once you open it, it has this fork, but I will not be using this fork because I want to use chopstick. So it's better to use chopstick than this fork. Then of course you have there the noodles, the hard noodles. We will put some hot water here later in order for this to cook. Then it comes with these condiments or seasoning. This is chabe. Yeah, this is chabe, the chili. This will make the noodle a spicier kind of noodle. Then this is bumbu seasoning. So I think you have here some garlic, some onions, bawang merah, bawang puti. Then of course the dried ingredients. I think I have here some chilies. I can see some chilies, some spring onions, some fried garlic, some fried onions. So I will be putting now all of this here. So I will start with the bumbu. Then the chabe. Then the last one would be the dried ingredients like this. Ding. Okay, I will get now my hot water. Okay, this is enough. Then cover. Then we will just wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes. This looks nice. So we need to mix this one. I will be trying now this with no reaction. Oh my god, I forgot. I forgot this one. Wait. I need to put this. Ah. So I think this oil will make this noodle spicy. Need to open this. Okay. So I wondered why is it that it is not that red, and I didn't see that it has this one, the spicy oil. So we'll cover this one more time. This should be the look to make this more spicier. I'm going to eat this now. So I already poured some hot water here. So I will remove this. So remember, I will eat this without any reaction, even it is too spicy. My reaction should be like this. Okay? So what? So my goal is to finish all of this, including the soup. So the soup is too hot, so I couldn't take it in one shot. So I need to sip this one slowly by slowly. Yeah. I'm almost done. So actually I already finished the noodles, so I'm just trying to finish the soup. Taran! I'm already done, so I guess I made the challenge. I think I ate this cup noodles without any reaction. There's a bit reaction, but not that significant. But I'm already getting some colds here. Yeah. Every time I eat spicy food, I always like this. Overall, this is good. I like this one. This is not that strong in terms of the flavor, in terms of the aroma, and the spicy level is not that high, so I could eat all of this. Like what you are seeing right now, I already finished and consume all of this noodles and the soup. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write down in the comment section below. So see you in my next video or food trip. Bye bye!